could be reasons of SB19 Mahalima's silence and delayed notice of concert cancellations. First of all, this is just an opinion and you can post down yours in the comment section. Marami kasi ang nalungkot, frustrated and disappointed with the delayed notice of concert cancellation dahil sa umasa ang mga fans, and as days go by, inakala nilang matutuloy ito only to know that it's cancelled on the day before, which is very heartbreaking. And with this, some fans are asking the Mahalima to give an explanation. Your feelings of sadness, frustrations, and disappointments are valid, pero sana intindihin natin na kung umabot na sa point na nagka-cancel na ang Mahalima sa kanilang mga concerts, it means this is not just a simple case of concert cancellations. Kilala natin ang Mahalima, they would give their all para mapasaya ang mga fans, para hindi masayang ang ibinayad at oras at effort na iginugol ng mga ito. Kahit nga minsan unfair ang treatment sa kanila, but still, they would give their all dahil ang iniisip nila ay ang kapakanan ng mga fans na isinakripisyo ang kanilang pera, oras, pati ang comfort at kalusugan, makita lamang sila. And so, having to cancel their concerts is a very big and sad thing for them. It's just that kailangan nilang gawin ito. At marahil hindi sila nagsasalita or nagbibigay ng explanation is because of a gag order, or baka naman nasa proseso pa sila ng negosasyon, and releasing an explanation or statement may lead to misunderstanding with the other parties and the fans. Sigurado kasing kung maglalabas sila ng pangalan ay tiyak na kukuyugin nating mga fans. And on the case of the delayed notice naman, it could be that they are still fighting and negotiating even on the last day, pero hindi talaga nakakaya kahit pa gustuhin man nila. On the other hand, hindi pa nila kinakancel ang ibang schedules of the concert because maybe they are still praying and hoping na baka mairesolba na nila at pwede na nilang ipagpatuloy ang concert. Siguradong hindi madali sa mga fans ang concert cancellations, pero tiyak namang mas doble ang hinagpis ng Mahalima dahil alam nilang nasasaktan ang mga fans, and on the other hand, they are still fighting a legal battle. Ika nga ni Josh, hindi madali ang hinaharap nila ngayon, kaya para sa ating mga fans, let's be kinder and more understanding because that is what they need the most now.